In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change font in Telegram. We'll keep this simple and clear, starting on Telegram desktop and wrapping up with a quick note for mobile users, so you know exactly what's possible on each platform. First, open Telegram desktop. In the top left corner, click the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines. From there, choose Settings, and then go into Chat Settings. This is where Telegram groups the appearance and readability controls for your conversations. Scroll until you find the font family section. This is the control that changes the actual typeface used in your chats on the desktop app. Think of it as choosing the look and personality of your text. Some fonts feel more compact. Others are more open and easier on the eyes, which can be helpful if you spend a lot of time reading long threads. Now select a font from the list. As soon as you click through the options, Telegram gives you an immediate preview at the top, so you can see how messages will look before you commit. Take a moment to compare a couple of choices. Look for clarity at your usual viewing distance and make sure punctuation and special characters are easy to distinguish. If you work with multiple languages or symbols, it's worth glancing at the preview to confirm everything renders cleanly. When you've found the font you like, click Save. Your choice will apply right away across your chats in Telegram desktop. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same font family section and pick something else just as easily. If you don't see the font family option, make sure you are running an up-to-date version of Telegram desktop, since interface options can vary by version and platform. A quick but important note: changing the font family is a desktop feature. On mobile, Telegram doesn't let you switch the font family itself. What you can do on phones is adjust how big or small the message text appears using the message text size slider. Increasing the size can make messages more comfortable to read on smaller screens, while decreasing it lets more text fit on the display. It's a simple way to tailor readability without altering the typeface. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.